What's the meaning of bi-wiring? Bi-wiring. Bi-wiring.
Bi-wiring. Bi-wiring. Bi-wiring refers to the practice of using two sets of speaker cables to connect a single pair of loudspeakers to an amplifier or receiver. This involves running separate wires from the amplifier to the high-frequency and low-frequency sections of the speaker's crossover network. Bi-wiring is based on the assumption that it reduces interference between the high and low-frequency signals and improves the overall sound quality of the system. However, there is some debate about the actual benefits of bi-wiring, and some experts claim that it may not provide any significant sonic advantages over using a single pair of cables.